Hey everybody, it's John Armstrong with Lifestyle Aviation. Got a fun one for you this week. Coming along as I travel to Austria to go to the main Diamond plant. They're having the international dealer meeting this week, and we'll be there representing Lifestyle Aviation North America. Hey everybody, I'm here on the main ramp at the Diamond Austrian factory, and off to one side you'll see the composite plant, in that direction the Katana Cafe, and then down the line lots of assembly and special factory buildings. This place is far flung. The Austro buildings are over across the street. You should look at the layout of this place. It's very large and very involved, what goes on over here in Austria. Well, this is where it all starts. You're looking at the main production facility for Diamond and all the composite structures. This is where the fuselages begin and are birthed, turned into aircraft parts. They run through the heating and curing processes. This is where they also get their paint and their assembly. I'm standing here in a line of DA40NGs prepped for delivery from the Austrian plant. I'm halfway down the road. There's about a dozen of them ready to be delivered in the next week. Lots going on over here in Austria. If you want to go to the Austrian Diamond plant, let us know and we can help arrange a visit for you. But if you go, make sure that you save a day or two to come explore the Austrian Alps. In this area in Lower Austria, they're not the highest mountains, but they sure are pretty. And we came up on the Cog Trail to the top of Schneeberg to check it out today and enjoyed some light snow overlooking the beautiful valley of Buchberg, where we got to stay. Just a gorgeous part of the Austrian countryside. Hope that you'll make a stop to the factory and also take a detour into the beautiful countryside.